Hello guys, welcome to a new episode. If you follow our videos, you know that we are model makers. We do all kind of models, different scales. And right now I'm sitting on this 46 square meter model of Rio de Janeiro. This is going to be a part of a 400 square meters new exhibit to be shown on Miniature Wonderland in Hamburg, Germany. Yeah, it's the biggest model railroad in the world. And as you know, we are in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and we have to ship this overseas to Hamburg. You will see how we disassemble this and put into boxes and later transport into the port.
What we give to the carpenters is a drawing of this box with the exact measurements, and they will take care of building these boxes. Another of the things that we consider is the wiring of the building. We have some kind of drawer where you can actually mount the buildings first, screw them tight so they arrive safe, but the wires, they will all be in this drawer underneath.
We have to get all the pieces that make up the crate. We have to strap them together, like this one, like so. Leo is right now working on this, the final details, checking if everything's cool, if we don't have any nails going out or whatever. These boxes are going to the oven. They will get 56 degree constant heat for at least half an hour, and this will certify that the box is ready to go overseas, so to a foreign country.
Before we can start to pack everything, we need to send them to another company that makes a heat treatment to protect the boxes, and they also give us all the paperwork that we need to make sure that we won't have any problems either shipping from Argentina and getting into Europe. The boxes from the treatment came back today, so they finished with the treatment, so now we have to unload them.
So this is what we are after. This is a seal indicating that this box is able to go into Europe without any problems. This is free of any bugs or I don't know, anything like bacteria. Nothing is in the wood. This is perfect, and now it's ready to go to Germany.
Here are the trays that we're going to use to mount the blocks of Copacabana. The system that we developed was to have the blocks like secured here, and all the wiring is going to be going through these holes. Jimmy, yes. Bring the buildings.
Boom.
We don't really need the model assembled anymore, so we can really start to take it apart. So we'll start by removing this mountain. This is the last time that we'll see it as it is right now. This is the last day of Copacabana as it is standing on its feet. We will start with this section right here. Jorge already take care of the track connection.
I'm just making sure that this track stays here and this one stays here, and as these two pieces are coming apart.
Of course, this was all prepared to be modular, and what is tricky about this is that they are not like square pieces or like pieces that have a defined shape. You have things that are like overlapping, and for instance here you can see this section is from this module that I'm touching right now, and this piece is from that module. It's been that way because of it has the necessity that we need to like hide these lines of joining as the best as we can, and most of them you don't really see. Just all of this construction thing, it was prepared for this day, so it should work.
These are the first big boxes for this model. This is 2.60 meters, this is 3.30 meters, really big boxes, and we have bigger ones coming up. I don't know, I have the drawings here, everything's been thought of before. We are missing just 6, maybe 5 or 6 other boxes like these ones,